2011 Nissan Altima 3.5 liter V6. Beautiful car. And then we got our artist Bob Ross of exhaust. Got some work done on it. It's got factory converters up there and up there, 2 manifold converters. Then a third converter there. And then we took the resonator out and put a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK in the middle. Then it's 2 1/4 all the way back. There's the part. There's the part number 10416. Sorry, battery said it's dying. 10416. 10416. So if you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description for it. Then we continued it. We took this giant muffler off right there. For on the coupes, that's how they come. It's a massive muffler and tips and everything. We took it off and put a custom Y pipe on it that we make in the house right there. And then 2 1/4, continued the 2 1/4 all the way back on both sides into 4-inch double walled stainless steel tips. That hopefully we'll have a link in the description for them too. Again, it's a 3.5 liter V6 SRs. So came out really nice, really clean. So he saw a video of the other one we did and he had to come and get it done, which I don't blame him for. That thing sounds nice. I think it sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels. And it will get about 2 more decibels louder in about 30 days when that MAGNAFLOW, that MAGNAPACK breaks in. It gets compact more. That sounds so good. It looks good too. He wanted them to stick out a little bit, so we did that for him. As you guys can see, whatever the customer wants, we do. Because that's what we're in it for. And as long as we see a smile, we're happy. And it makes our day too. Nissan Altima. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Believe it or not, guys, Nissan Altima 2011. It's got 335,000 miles. And it's original owner. And it's CTV transmission. He's had to replace the transmission once, which is known for these cars. But it fixes the errors in them. And he's gonna go give it some gas. Let's see what she sounds like when he takes off. Have a great day, sir. Thank you. It's been a good car. That's what happens when you maintain a car. It maintains for you. Sounds so deep and good. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments.